back to my channel. So today I'm just gonna do a little chit chat, get ready with me. I have a new foundation that I want to try out and show you guys. So yeah, we're just gonna get right into it. But the foundation that I am trying out today is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation. And this is what it looks like. I've heard so many good things about it. I've been waiting for it to come into my Ulta for weeks now. So yeah, I'm so excited to try it. I hope it lives up to all of its, all of my hopes and dreams. But yeah, so I've already moisturized, and this is what I've been using recently. It's my bad. Anyways, this is what I've been using recently. It works really good. I actually really love it. It's for dry and extra dry skin. I have pretty dry skin. Mostly dry patches, not really like my whole face isn't dry, but I have mostly dry patches on my cheeks and stuff like that. So ignore this thing that's growing on my face right now. And then I have also already primed, and I've been using the Too Faced Hangover primer. I love this stuff too. It definitely makes my skin not dry for sure, and it's very nourishing and stuff like that. So love that. Been using that for at least a couple months now. Absolutely love it. Definitely recommend if you have dry skin. But yeah, I'm just gonna hop right into it. I have two different colors here because I didn't know which one would match me the best. I have F1 and then I have F3. I think F1 definitely matches the best. So F1 is for fair skin tones with neutral undertones. F3 is for fair skin tones with cool undertones. And then the one in the middle, F2, is for fair skin tones with yellow undertones. So I went with F1. The Ulta that I went and bought the foundation from actually didn't have F2 in store, so unfortunately I wasn't able to look at that and see if it would be a good match. But it is vegan, cruelty-free, paraben-free, and oil-free. So let me see what the description of the foundation is. Let's see. So it says, Makeup Revolution's Conceal Define Full Coverage Foundation offers lightweight yet buildable coverage in 24 skin true shades. This versatile foundation is designed to suit every skin type and tone, with an oil-free yet creamy and comfortable formula that dries down to a long-lasting demi-matte finish. It says it won't settle into fine lines or cling to any dry patches, which is good because whenever I try foundations out, that always happens and I hate it. And it has a doe foot applicator. Let me show you that. It's actually really nice, definitely comparable to the Shape Tape concealer and stuff like that. I'm just gonna blend it out. I would definitely say this is pretty good color match for me, for sure. Wow, that looks very smooth. Wow, that's pretty. I'm just gonna do some on my eyes too. Okay, let me get the forehead. And yeah, wow, I really like this so far. It's blending out really nice. Doesn't look like it's hanging on to any of my dry patches. Super easy to blend. that's what it's looking like so far. I hope you guys can see it pretty well. It blended out so nice. Like, I'm so impressed. Wow, yeah. Okay, so that is one layer. I think I'm gonna do one more layer and just see what it's like when we build it. See if it gets cakey or anything like that. Even after building it up, it doesn't look cakey. The color is perfect. Like, oh my gosh, it looks beautiful. Looks beautiful. I don't have any complaints so far, so I'm gonna move on to the next side and do it with a brush. And I'm excited to see if it covers up my pimple down here. It covered up my redness so well, like, I really like it so far. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with my Morphe foundation brush and see how this is. Definitely hate the brush. Like I said, I'm not a big fan of brushes. It doesn't look too terribly bad, but the side with the beauty blender actually just, it blends out better. It looks smoother and stuff like that. So I may just go back in with the beauty blender. And yeah, I'm gonna go with the beauty blender. Just looks so much smoother. So life update, I actually just moved. I moved in with my boyfriend for the first time. So we now have our own apartment together, which we're super excited about. So that's kind of where I've been. That, and I've been so busy with school. Just trying to make sure I have good grades, and school has been pretty nice this semester. I actually kind of enjoy my classes. Still taking gen eds. I don't know if I've ever told you guys I am majoring in marketing. So haven't gotten too far into the marketing side of things, but I'm really enjoying class this semester, which it's all online, which this is my first semester doing all of my classes online. But I'm actually really enjoying it. I have, what classes? I'm taking art this semester, which I really enjoy. Love my professor. He seems like a cool dude. And then I'm taking theater, which is also another gen ed. And I actually like that class too. It's very interesting. And then I'm also taking geology, which I actually hate. But you know, it is what it is. But yeah, so that's kind of where I've been. Like I said, we just moved. We've been here for about, I want to say like 2 weeks. Maybe this is our 3rd week. So it's still very new. And once I get everything fixed up and decorated how I want it to, I'll definitely do a apartment tour. If you guys want to see that, let me know down below if you do. But yeah, So this is what the foundation's looking like. Actually, I love it. It covered up everything really nicely. I don't see that it's sticking to any dry patches or anything. It looks really good, not gonna lie. It's sitting on my face very smoothly. Yeah, covered my pimple up. There's still a little bit of redness there, but not too terribly bad. I'm gonna finish the rest of my makeup, and then I'll be right back with you guys and tell you how I like it and final words and all that good stuff. All right, guys, so this is a final look. Just did something simple today with a lip. So yeah, final thoughts. I think I actually love it. It's not settling into any of my fine lines. It covered up all my redness. This pimple down here is pretty much covered up. It does have a little bit of redness, but I'm not too worried about that. Yeah, I absolutely love it. It looks flawless on my skin. It matches perfectly. Yeah, I love it. Let me tell you what else I'm wearing. I thought I'd try out a couple different things today. So on my mascara, I tried out this Superhero It Cosmetics mascara. It's a little sample size that I got from Ulta for my birthday, so I thought I'd try that out. And then I like it. It's not bad. And then I also got this L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Matte Gloss, and I thought I would try that out as well. That's the lip that I'm wearing today. Blush, I'm wearing Tarte Party, and then bronzer, I'm just wearing Hoola Benefit bronzer. But yeah, I'm very impressed with the foundation. And I am actually wearing the concealer with it too. I don't mind it. I like the concealer. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about the concealer. I like it, but it's not the best concealer I've ever worn. Other than that, I absolutely love this foundation. Definitely try it. It's like $12 for one of these. Which is a good price, compared to $24 or $40, stuff like that. I would say definitely try it out. As far as I can see, it's not settling into any of my dry patches, fine lines, or anything like that. Yeah, I love it. I love it. I'm probably gonna start using this from now on for a little while. If you guys want like a wear test, a 24-hour wear test, let me know and I can get that for you guys on this foundation. Or if you have any other foundations that you want me to try out, let me know, because I'd love to try them out as well. But as of now, I think this is probably going to be one of my favorite drugstore foundations for a little while. I've also been wearing, let me pull it out here. I've also been wearing the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Matte Foundation. Love this. Try it out if you haven't tried it. This is in the color 101 Classic Ivory. It's a demi matte finish, and it's for normal to oily skin. So love it. It's a 24-hour foundation. I wear that one a lot as well. So yeah, like I said, if you guys have any video suggestions or any foundations that you want me to try out, definitely not a beauty guru, but I like to try out new foundations. But yeah, and then I think that is it for today. I think I'm going to be coming at you guys with a plus size Rue 21 haul here in a couple of days, probably in a couple days after I upload this video. So let me know what you guys want to see. Sorry for being MIA there for a while. Like I said, we were moving and I was trying to do school at the same time and stuff like that. But I'm excited to get back into it. I absolutely love making videos. I love editing and stuff like that. So yeah, I will see you guys later, and I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you. Bye.